Top 5 apps like SpyDialer Reverse Lookup Review that actually work today. If you've ever wanted to identify unknown callers or emails, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that make reverse lookup faster and safer than SpyDialer. Most people get this wrong, relying on outdated methods, but these 5 apps actually work. First up is Truecaller. Truecaller identifies calls and messages instantly with spam filtering and a global database of numbers. Its app is fast, accurate, and widely trusted. Second is Whitebudges. Whitebudges allows reverse phone lookup, email search, and address verification. The app provides detailed reports, including carrier and location information. Number 3 is Hiya. Hiya focuses on caller ID and spam detection. Its app alerts you to fraudulent calls and can block suspicious numbers automatically. Fourth, we have been verified. This app searches phone numbers, emails, and social profiles, giving you a comprehensive report. Many users find it useful for safety and verification. Finally, Intellius. Intellius provides reverse phone and people lookup with detailed background information. Its mobile app is easy to navigate and reliable for research purposes. In conclusion, while SpyDialer is useful, these 5 apps offer faster, more detailed, and safer reverse lookup options. Whether you're verifying contacts or avoiding spam, these tools give you confidence and clarity.